How do some videos explode with views on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram? You know, those viral clips that seem to pop up everywhere and gain thousands of followers overnight. Well, there's a secret behind their success, and today, I'm going to reveal exactly what makes these videos go viral. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to create engaging content that captures attention and keeps viewers hooked from start to finish. Let's dive in. But before we go into the steps, let us first understand the explanation of virality. Do you know why videos like these go viral? I have an explanation for that. Would you like to hear it? I'm sure all viewers would be interested too. These videos often begin with a captivating hook, like, "Josh, answer your phone." "No." "B, I'm serious." This type of introduction sparks curiosity, encouraging viewers to watch until the end. As a result, these videos have higher watch times, which YouTube and TikTok algorithms favor, pushing them to a larger audience and causing them to go viral. That's why these niches are excellent for rapid growth on TikTok if you want to make money and expand quickly. I've created 2 videos showing how to manually produce content for these niches, but the process is time-consuming. That's why I'm introducing a new AI video generator that allows you to create YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok videos in just seconds. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use this AI tool to produce fake chat story videos and would you rather videos. Step 1. Explore this AI tool. This AI tool is named VSub, and it's designed to generate videos without needing a visible presenter. What makes VSub particularly valuable is its capability to create content tailored to specific niches, such as quizzes, chat stories, Reddit stories, and others. Whether you're starting a new channel or already have one in these areas, VSub is a great option. It's ideal for both video production and adding subtitles to your content. Step 2. Creating a chat story. Let's get started with this AI tool and learn how to create a fake chat story video. First, select template. First, choose the fake text option from the menu. You'll see a variety of template options. You can also select your preferred language here. If you want to create videos in a different language, you can adjust this setting accordingly. For this example, I'll choose English and pick the dark WhatsApp background template. Second, generate story. Alright, now it's time to craft a chat story for this video. I'll be using ChatGPT for this. Let's head over to ChatGPT and generate the story. I'll be using a specific prompt to create it, which is flashed on the screen. Once you use this prompt and adjust the topic to fit your needs, you'll have a unique and engaging chat story ready for your video. Third, import option. Let's return to VSub. Here you can input the left and right text sections. Simply copy the chat script we created into these sections. The initial message should be added to the left side, as it came from the sun. If you prefer images over text, you can choose the image option instead. Continue by adding the left and right text parts, copying each script segment individually. Remember to activate the emphasize button for a more natural and engaging voice. I've added all the text as we did previously. If manually copying text seems cumbersome, you can streamline the process by creating an Excel document with the entire chat and uploading it to VSub. Just ensure you follow the exact format for the Excel document and then use the import button to upload it, making the process much simpler. Fourth, voice selection. Next, we need to choose AI voices. Go to the settings, where you'll find a range of AI voices from 11 labs. Since this story features a conversation between a mother and her son, select a male voice for the son's side and a female voice for the mother's side. You can also add elements to make the chat more engaging and fun. Additionally, you can assign a name to the chat. I'll use Harry for this example, and even upload a profile picture if desired. Finalize. Once you've added these details and made the chat unique, click the Continue button to generate the video. On the next page, you can make any edits to the video, including changing voices and text. You can also add background music. Just upload any specific tracks you want. After finalizing all your edits, click the download button to save your video. Step 3. Creating a Would You Rather videos. Select Template. Choose this option from the main menu. You'll see a standard template available here. A new template for long videos will be released in the coming days, allowing you to create extended content with this AI. For now, let's select the current template. Add questions. If you have pre-made questions, you can import them directly here. Alternatively, you can add new questions by clicking the Add button. This AI can also generate random and unique questions for you. You have the option to either use this AI for generating questions or use ChatGPT to create them and then add them manually. For this example video, I'll have the AI generate questions. As a result, we now have 12 excellent questions. AI voice and images. You can now access the settings to adjust the AI voice for your video. I'll be using the popular AI voice app, which will automatically generate appropriate images for the questions. You don't need to handle that part yourself. Once this process is finished, click the Continue button, and the video will be created in just a few minutes. Editing, customization, finalizing, and exporting. You can now make various adjustments here, including changing the color of the layout, modifying the voices, and more. Additionally, you can add or upload background music to your video by accessing the Music section. Under the Tools section, you can upload and customize your channel's logo to protect your content from theft. Finally, in the Content section, you can edit the questions and swap out AI-generated images. This AI customization process is really simple. Step 5. Understanding the platform's pricing and plans. VSub is a unique AI tool designed specifically for creating niche-targeted videos, making it one of my top choices. While tools like Canva or CapCut typically take around 30 minutes to produce similar videos, VSub can achieve this in just a few seconds. They offer 4 subscription plans. For free plan, 200 credits. For starter plan, $29 for 5,000 credits and custom fonts. For pro plan, $49 per month for 10,000 credits, additional custom templates, fonts, bulk editing, and up to 10-minute video exports. For premium package, $99 for 25,000 credits and team collaboration features. There is also a lifetime pro package available for $490. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. To wrap up, viral videos often start with a strong hook that keeps viewers engaged, leading to higher watch times and more shares. Using AI tools like VSub, you can quickly create engaging content such as fake chat stories and would you rather videos. In VSub, you can generate videos in seconds, add subtitles, and customize voices and images. If you're looking to boost your TikTok or YouTube channel, this tool is amazing. Now, I want to hear from you. Which type of viral video content are you most excited to create? Fake chat stories or would you rather videos? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Profitability Plus, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.